In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off hardware acceleration in the Google Chrome web browser. Let's start by understanding why you might want to adjust this setting. Hardware acceleration is a feature that allows Google Chrome to offload some of the heavy lifting it does from your CPU to your GPU. This can help make browsing smoother, especially when you're engaging with more resource-intensive web applications like video streaming or online gaming. However, in some cases, hardware acceleration might cause issues such as crashing, freezing, or visual artifacts, particularly if your hardware or drivers are outdated. Knowing how to toggle this feature can therefore be crucial for optimizing your browsing experience. To begin, you'll first need to open the menu. Look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window, and you'll see a three dots icon, which is Google Chrome's menu button. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options you can explore. From this menu, the next step is to select Settings. Clicking on this option will navigate you to Chrome's main settings page, which is your hub for controlling everything from privacy settings to appearances and beyond. Once you're in the settings, take a glance over to the left-hand side. You should see a menu with different sections, and one of the sections listed will be System. Click on System. This section contains options that govern how Chrome interacts with your computer's hardware. Here, we aim to either enable or disable hardware acceleration. As you view the options under System, you will notice an option that reads Use hardware acceleration when available. To the side of this text is a toggle switch, which is the key to controlling this setting. If you want to enable hardware acceleration, ensure that the toggle switch is set to the on position, turning it blue. But if you're experiencing any issues or prefer it turned off for whatever reason, switch it to the off position, where it'll turn gray. After making your choice, it's a good idea to restart your browser to make sure the changes take effect. You can do this by simply closing Chrome completely and then reopening it. Or you can click the relaunch option that may appear after you change the setting. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn on or off hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. Remember, you can always come back to this setting and adjust it depending on your needs or any issues you face. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.